What is up, guys? KG, RoughToBeBuffTV. We are back with another exercise tutorial today, and today we are looking at the banded Romanian deadlift. Now, the whole idea of adding a band attached to the bar for your Romanian deadlift is to increase lat engagement. So for those of you that are having a hard time engaging your lats or getting the concept of getting your lats firing through your deadlift, this is a good exercise to start throwing into your program to assist you in your lat engagement. Another small subtle tip here is the wrist curl, throttling your wrists forward or curling them and maintaining that small wrist curl as you go through your hinge patterns or as you go through your deadlift is going to help you increase your lat engagement. So when it comes to loading the bar and distancing and band size, we have a 1-inch band, and you may have to take steps forward or back depending on how strong you are, how heavy the weight is, but you can do this exercise loaded. It's not just like a warm-up exercise. You can use this also for your traditional deadlifts. Today it looks like I'm just doing Romanian and I'm like at 185 pounds in this shot right here. Your feet are about hip width and nothing changes about your movement, but you are just pulling that bar and maintaining it over your midfoot as you go through your proper patterns. You'll know if you're using too strong of a band, if it's way too much on your lats, or you kind of just feel you're not being able to maintain efficiency or proper movement pattern. But here we have probably one of my heavier sets that we're finishing on. So hopefully you guys found this vlog useful. Like, subscribe if you did. If you're new around here, welcome. I'm KG. This is RoughToBeBuffTV. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys next time. Peace. Hi, babe.
Hi.